Hello, my dear ones. My name is Alexandra Sokolova from the real estate agency in Mersin, in the Arpaçbahşış area. A new 1+1 apartment of excellent quality. Give it a like. Let's go have a look. Entrance to the apartment. At the entrance, we have an intercom, a mirrored wardrobe. At the entrance, we also have a well-sized bathroom with a towel warmer, shower, mirror, cabinet and sink. Large kitchen area. The price includes appliances, extractor fan, oven, hob, stone worktop, a very nice backsplash, high quality finish. Good kitchen space. Large table. The apartment is end unit with views of the gardens and the sea. The area is planned for gasification, but radiators are already installed. Here is a south-facing terrace. It opens up a view of the sea. The sea is close by. The grounds of our complex include children's playgrounds, gazebos, and a swimming pool. People are already living in the building. The complex is completed and the inspection certificate has been obtained. A very beautiful bedroom, with such wall decor. From the developer, a built-in wardrobe, deep and spacious. In the bedroom, there is a French balcony with views of the gardens and such impressive lifts with views of the sea. You just want to take videos and photos, post them and send them to everyone. Such cool entrance. Lobby areas. Festive, elegant, clean, with a pleasant smell. What a beauty! Thank you for watching up to this point. For details, contact us via WhatsApp. The phone number appears on your screens or below in the info box under the video. Visit the website for other current offers. And of course, come to Mersin. I will be glad to see you in Mersin. See you. Bye-bye.